we finally got the Tomei Type R single exit titanium exhaust installed on this car, and it sounds so insane now, man. It is everything I was looking for, but I didn't give you guys the best showcase of how it sounds. Today, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it's like to have this exhaust installed, also paired with a Titan Motorsports catless downpipe, and why I think this is the best exhaust for the MK5 Supra. So we all got to hear our real first cold start for the first time at the beginning of this video. Last video when we installed the exhaust, well, I guess got the exhaust installed, I threw in a cold start, but the car had been driven previously, like too shortly before to get a real cold start, basically is what I'm trying to say. And today, after 4 days letting the car cool down, we finally got a real cold start in it. I know the GoPro didn't do it justice, but man, it sounds thunderous in real life. Like, it is absolutely insane. But yeah, so we all finally got to hear the real first cold start of this thing. We're also going to do some flybys today. We're going to do some POV driving and basically just show you guys everything that I forgot to show you guys in the last video of how this thing sounds. But before we can do any of that fun stuff, we got to head over to Mexico. So yeah, let's get it. Alright, so I just got down here to Mexico and I just did a test run, just making sure everything's good, and the car went into limp mode again. It's throwing these codes, but that's because I don't have the exhaust flap and stuff on there. And then there's the upper radiator and lower radiator shutter, but I've heard that that even throws on the stock cars because they don't have it. It's like it's something the US cars don't have, basically. But right here's the problem: the combustion torque engine torque limitation active. Like, I don't even know, man. There's no way I don't have enough E in here. I need to go ahead and get an ethanol content sensor installed so I can just figure this out and not have to worry about it anymore. But yeah, I don't even know. I'm just gonna reflash this tune, and that's what fixed it last time. I'm gonna do some sends and whatnot for you guys, show you guys how the exhaust sounds. But yeah, if you guys have dealt with this and know what is going on or how to fix this, let me know in the comments below, because this is it's pretty annoying, honestly. All right, so I just reflashed the stage 2 E32. I'm gonna start the car back up, and I did not turn off the toggle warm start thingy, and I need to at some point, but I don't even know, man. All right, let's go ahead and read the codes again, see if anything pops up. And as you can see, that code is gone. I don't know what triggers it, man. There's also a second one, as you guys probably saw in there. It was a I don't remember the code exactly. It was 1000 something like that, but that one always pops whenever the torque limitation thing activates also. And I don't know, man. Like, there's no way I don't have enough E in here. I actually refilled the tank not that long ago while it already had E30 in it, and I mixed more E30 in there, so I'm pretty sure it's running at least E40 right now. But yeah, I don't know, man. Let's just go get these sends in Mexico. So I'm not going to do any full sends because I don't want the car going into limp mode again right now, man. But we're still going to get a good sound clips and everything. So to start off, we're going to do a little passenger seat POV. I'm going to hand the camera off to my buddy over here, and we're going to do sport mode, and we're just going to do some regular cruising and some light accelerations, maybe some hard accelerations.
Turbo lights, it goes. Yeah.
Get some pops. Like, I know the GoPro doesn't pick it up, but the pops are just like it's so much deeper than I've ever heard on any car I've had, basically. And then the setup before, like, it's just like I don't know, it's got bass now.
Yeah, it actually has bass.
Yeah. right, so we're gonna do the same thing we just did, but this time we're gonna take it out of sport mode so you guys can hear it not in sport mode. Alright. This is the first time I've driven it not in sport mode. It's already in 5th gear. It sounds like a truck coming out. The first time I've driven it not in sport mode since I've had this exhaust on it, that is. It's in 8th gear right now, like it's just chilling.
I don't like it.
No, it doesn't seem right, does it?
No.
No pops or nothing.
Nothing.
That wasn't even half fall, that was only like just a little bit of juice. There's some downshifts here. The downshifts are so like nothing. Like
Nothing
I don't know if
happens.
it picks up on camera over
I
the
don't
wind noise right
think you'll be
now.
able to hear it on camera.
It's so quiet. And then you do this, you press the sport mode button. Down into 6th, 5th. I don't think it's a limp mode, but there's a chance it might have been a limp mode right there. But yeah, man, like this exhaust is easily daily drivable. Like I don't even know in sport mode. Like it's loud, but
Right.
not unless you want it to be. Like not unless you're giving it gas.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go ahead and hear what this thing sounds like from the outside now.
By the way, he wanted to let you guys know that it is in sport mode right now. That thing sounds crazy. I don't know if it picks up on camera from that far away, but he's pretty far away, honestly. Jesus Christ. I don't even know if the camera will pick up the bass of the exhaust, but dude, it sounds insane. And there's someone, you really can't see that person over there walking on the driveway maybe, but they're probably pissed off at this point. I don't know if we should do it again. Oh yeah, Karen on the porch, Karen on the porch, Karen on the porch. Yo, there's a Karen on the porch watching me, and I don't know what they're doing, but you should. All right. Jesus Christ.
So here's an even colder cold start. It's like 45 degrees out right now. So yeah, we're back home now, and after hearing all that for yourself, I think you guys can tell why I think that this is the best sounding exhaust for this car. Like it's so loud, so clean at the same time. Like it's everything I could ask for, honestly. And if you want loud but a clean loud, I would highly recommend this single exit. Now keep in mind, I do have the Titan Motorsports catless downpipe installed, so if you just get this cat back looking for your car to be this loud, it won't be this loud. It'll be a little bit quieter, but I'm sure it would still sound absolutely insane. But if you want your car to sound exactly like this, Titan Motorsports catless downpipe Tomei Type R single exit titanium exhaust sounds absolutely insane, man. I would highly recommend that setup to anybody looking for loud but good loud. I'm gonna leave the exhaust link below. Well, I'm gonna leave the guy to hit up to get the exhaust link below down in the description if you guys want to pick one of these up for yourselves. But yeah, that's really gonna wrap it up for this one, everybody. I'm pretty sure I basically covered everything I didn't get to show you guys in the last video. That is like some POV driving and some exterior flybys and whatnot. I just didn't want to make the last video too long. But yeah, for those of you who have been wondering, should you get the single exit Tomei exhaust? Yes, you should. That is if you want your car to be loud. I mean, if you're looking for loud, this thing is loud and it's the way to go. But if you don't want loud, like, this thing is really loud. Like, the camera does not do it justice. It is loud now, man. Even though it has a massive muffler on it down here, like, I don't know, it must just be something to do with that titanium. But yeah, super happy with how this thing sounds now. Could not have asked for anything more. Like I said, that is really gonna wrap it up for this one, everybody. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you guys like this video, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next